Do you hear that? It's pretty quiet, isn't it? Not a lot going on right now. But that's all going to change because on November the 6th, 2019, there's going to be 118 women walking through those doors of opportunity right there. They're going to be coming here to this quiet little street in Knoxville, Tennessee to learn all about buying houses, buying apartments, buying money, buying beach houses, and how to turn all of those real estate deals into big bucks. The event is called She Buys It Live. My name is Whitney and I am here at the Mill and Mine. This is going to be the location for She Buys It Live, and I want you to get your ticket right now. We're going to be having guest experts coming from all over the country, so it's not just about what happens here in my little town of Knoxville, Tennessee, but it's what is going on in the real estate investing world all across the country. Women are going to be coming from California, they're coming from Washington State, they're coming from North Carolina, they're coming from Florida, they're coming from Pennsylvania. We've got most every state represented here at She Buys It Live. We have a couple tickets available. I want you to go to SheBuysItLive.com to find out all of the details. We're going to have Jason East talking about how to buy apartments, and I gotta tell y'all that I think he's pretty handsome and a great speaker. I say that because I have to look at him and listen to him every day. He's my husband. He's an expert at apartments, though. You've got to hear what he has to say about getting started in small multifamily units. Then we've also got April Crossley coming. April was at the very first She Buys It Live event in 2016, and she blew my mind with everything she knew about raising private funds. This woman has spent none of her own money, and she's done millions of dollars worth of transactions. She's done hundreds of fix and flips, and you've got to hear what she has to say about raising money in your market so that you can get more deals done. Joanne is coming from New York, New Jersey to talk about vacation rentals. This woman bought a beautiful house, 1-bedroom studio cabin, and she makes like, I don't even want to say, but it's like crazy stupid money that she makes on a 1-bedroom cabin in upstate New York because she rents it as a vacation rental. And she gets to actually still use it herself for her family's vacations. Y'all got to know how to do this. I want you to buy houses for passive income. I want you to buy apartments for financial freedom. I want you to help your friends and family use their old 401ks and IRAs to fund your fix and flips. And I want you to live your dream life. I want you to figure out how to actually buy a beach house that you don't have to pay for. It's all going to happen right here at the Mill and Mine in Knoxville, Tennessee, November 6th through the 9th. Go to SheBuysItLive.com to get your tickets. There's going to be some special guest experts talking. We're going to have some panels. We're going to have some breakout sessions. It's going to be totally different than the other 3 years of She Buys It Live. I can't wait to see you in Knoxville, November 6th through the 9th, 2019, right here at the Mill and Mine on this beautiful, quiet street here in downtown Knoxville. Go to SheBuysItLive.com right now and get your ticket.